Welcome guys. Today we are going to see how to install CentOS on VMware Workstation. I hope you have installed already the VMware Workstation. If not, I will just give a link below. Just go to the link and install first VMware Workstation. Then you can install the CentOS on VMware Workstation. So let us start. So after installation of VMware, click on the create new virtual machine here. Then select the typical recommended, click on the next, then select I will install the operating system later, click on next, click on Linux operating system and just select the CentOS 7 64-bit and say click on OK. Then give the virtual machine name. I recommend that keep at it is. Just give the location where you want to install this CentOS. So you can give another drive that like D drive or E drive. Then give the disk space. So I will recommend that you can give 20 GB or 40 GB if it is available. Click on the store virtual disk as a single file. Click on next and say finish. Then click on the CD, DVD and select use ISO file which you have already downloaded. If it is not downloaded, first download it and then select here browse. Then you can click on the power on button which is highlighted with a green color. So after clicking on power on, select the install CentOS 7. So by default, it is selected test this media and install 7. Just click in a blank area, click with upper key and select install CentOS and enter press. So it will ask you again to enter press again. So again enter. So it will start installation process. It will prompt you like this. So select as it is and click on continue. So after this will screen will be visible. Select software selection, minimal install. Within that, you have to select server with GUI. After that, click on the done. Then click on installation destination here. After that, just click on the done. Don't change anything. So it will do the whatever changes. Then it will prompt you begin installation. Click on begin installation. So it will start processing package installation process. Then it will prompt you to root password and user creation. So click on the root password. Give the password simple as you can, 123 or like your time simple. Just give root password and confirm password and click on done. Then click on user creation. Give the username like user1, full name, username, give the password 123123 and click on done. Okay, so it will install the remaining packages and everything. Okay, so after that it will ask you for reboot. So click on the reboot. Then you select the Linux first option. By default it is keep it as it is. Then click on license information, license not accepted. So click on this and just accept the license agreement and then click on the done. After this, you click on the finish configuration here at the bottom and it will prompt you the users. Either you can log in with the root user or user one. So user one, you can give the password and sign in. After signing in, this will be shown to you. So now you can use the CentOS. So first it will prompt you like this. So click on next, again skip, again you can say start using CentOS Linux. So this will prompt, and just click on the cross button here, just close this window, and now you can use the CentOS. Just right click and you can click on open terminal, and the terminal will be open, and now you can use the command CentOS commands, and you can practice the commands. So all the best. Thank you. If you like this video, click on the like button and share this video. Thank you. Welcome.